Hello! In this video you will learn how to add one more payment platform like your Stripe, PayPal or Square to Synder app. The flow is exactly the same either for connection of new platform, like adding PayPal in addition to Stripe, or in case you want to add one more account of the same payment platform, like adding several Square locations to Synder. I will take the last case as an example. So to connect this additional Square location, click the plus icon in the upper right corner of Synder, select Add Payment Platform, then choose the platform you want to add from drop-down and click Connect. Please note that credentials might be needed for the first time connection. You can either go through the initial setup of a payment platform step by step, or you can choose the default setup. At this step you select Square location, click on Next, and now you can select the default setup. Here you can choose the category for fees, enable payouts, specify a checking account for them, click I'm OK to start, and that is it. Your payment platform is connected to Synder. Now go to Import All Transactions step, select payment platform you just connected, set a time range and click on Import button to make all transactions from your payment platform available for synchronization.